What's up, everybody? So today I got a call, I got a text message saying come review my BMW M5. So I'm in this now, and let's switch it on and listen to the voice. Oh wow, heads up display, everything in here is just screams out M. Let's get in, let's take this for a drive. Whoa. This is so cool. This is amazing. This is so cool. I'm loving this car. If you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves, it's COVID-19, so just to be safe. That's all.
Is that the police for you?
I think so. There's police after me. So while I'm still in this area, Finglas, let's just say this is a really safe area until I get out. Maybe I'll have different thoughts then. By the way, this is just on drive, on normal drive mode, sport mode, let's say. I haven't put it on M1 or M2 just yet. We just can't go crazy just yet. The owner said to me that I can drift this 5 Series to do donuts and so on. Inside of me really want to do that, but no, I can't. I'll just feel really bad if I bring the car back to him. Something is wrong with it. I wouldn't do that. Look at this thing. Oh, damn. That was absolutely amazing. Get in here, let's talk. So, just washed the car. QZ Tint, my favorite place that I always get my car washed. They also sponsor my channel. They would have done an amazing job, but because of the situation, COVID-19, they're closed. So I just did a wash here at Apple Green petrol station. I'm gonna put a little bit more fuel and take this for a drive down to a bit of a countryside road just to see how it turns. And then I'm gonna go down to the M3 car park to do a review on this, to tell you exactly if this is suitable for you to buy or not, in terms of comfort, front seat, back seat, and so on. So let's go. Like to dry the car, right? What's the better way to dry this than just pulling your foot down?
Even if it's raining, this still works.
Pull a smile on your face.
Don't have my seatbelt on.
So the recording was all over the place?
No.
Huh?
My safety was.
You weren't going to die.
So as it turned out, I'm very concerned for her safety.
Recording.
So I drove just a little bit slower, but with more noise.
Hello.
How you doing, mate? It's Ricky here.
How are you?
Good. Do you see the way that I'm driving the M5?
Yeah.
I am absolutely in love with it. It's this machine, man. Like, I would never expect it to be this good. I don't know if it's different to the one I drove before, but this is... You
It's
should...
set up a little bit different, that one. That one has HR racing springs on the front.
Okay.
Has a few little bits, you know.
Because it grips...
suspension-wise.
Yeah, it grips really nice, man. Like in corners, I drove it around the back roads from Blanche to Liffey Valley, and it grips the roads really, really nicely.
Yeah, I've done a lot of research on tires as well for them.
Oh, okay.
There's
So,
only certain tires you can put on them, and a lot of people put Pirellis on them, but these ones, you don't get good wear time out of it. They put good years on it.
okay.
But they're the tires for them. So there's a few
Yeah.
little things that I've done a little bit of research on myself with it just to make sure that it would, because I like going down the back roads.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm hoping to get a lot more cars and do a lot more reviews, hopefully. Now, working Blandishtown 4x4, I got access to so many other cars. The next car I'm hoping to do a review on, it's an Audi RS6. I was told that that drives amazingly good. Hopefully it does. But we'll find out in my review. If you like what I do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that makes all the difference for me to do a lot more for you guys. Thank you guys so much again, and see you soon.